Welcome to my channel. Children, today we'll continue the second chapter of grade 10 social studies. Okay, income and other criteria. The income is not only the main criteria of the person, so he needs freedom in our equal treatment and respect, and there it should not have any discrimination. Then the person can work freely there. Okay, income is not a matter, but it needs other criteria also. Okay, and children, yesterday we have discussed about per capita income. Per capita income is nothing but per capita income is equals to sum of means total income of the country divided by total population of the country. If you did the calculation, you will get the per capita income. And today we will discuss the per capita income of the different states. Per capita income per annum of selected states. Okay children, here Haryana's per capita income is 2.15, Himachal Pradesh is 1.82, Bihar is 0.66. Okay, it means Haryana's 2.15, it means averagely one person he gets 2.15 lakhs of rupees. Every person of Haryana, they get the income as 2.15 lakhs. And same, every person of Himachal Pradesh, he gets 1.82 lakhs, and in Bihar 0.66 lakhs. Okay, we are discussing about the individual. One individual will get 2.15. Here in Himachal Pradesh, one individual get 1.82. In Bihar, an individual get 0.66. It is a what per capita income of these states. Among these, the Haryana is having more per capita income, and Himachal Pradesh is second, and the least and last is Bihar. It is having a very less per capita income. Okay, and now if we give the rank, the Haryana is the first, Himachal Pradesh is the second, and Bihar is a third position in a per capita income. Okay, now we'll discuss some some comparative data of selected states. Children, again same Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Bihar, again three states are given. Okay, here IMR per thousand in 2016 and 2011 of literacy rate. So IMR means infant mortality rate. Out of 1000 live children born, but very 1 to 2 years, the children they are dying. Okay, that rate is in Haryana is 33. IMR rate here is 33, and Himachal Pradesh is 25, and Bihar is 38. So this is IMR rate. What? Infant mortality rate. Okay, so the number of children who die within 1 year. Beta, within 1 year, 33 children are dying out of 1000 in Haryana. 25 children are dying within 1 year in Himachal Pradesh. 38 children are dying in Bihar. Okay, so this is the average rate. So now you will give the rank. Here the again, sir, more number of children are dying from Haryana and less number of children are dying from Himachal Pradesh. Now come to the literacy rate. The persons who are able to read and write. Literacy rate is 77% in Haryana, 84% in Himachal Pradesh, 64% in Bihar. Children, here literacy percent is again more in Himachal Pradesh and less in Bihar. It is third position. Okay children, so this table shows the data of IMR rate And literacy rate in IMR rate, Haryana is the first. Sorry, not Haryana. Bihar is the first. Bihar is the first. And Himachal Pradesh is last. Okay. But in come to the literacy rate, what Himachal Pradesh is first and Bihar is second. Okay. So first column of the table shows the Himachal Pradesh out of 1,000 children born alive, 25 die before completing 1 year. And 33 or die before completing 1 year in Haryana. Okay, so this is about the the tabular information of per capita. Okay, now we'll discuss about the public facilities. So which facilities are called as public facilities? When the people are using that facilities collectively, when the public or using that facilities or collectively, then we can say the facilities or public facilities. For example, transportation is there, what buses, government buses are there, so that is a public facility. Okay, and for example, PDS system is there. What public distributive system means the government is providing the free rice and some things to the people that everyone are utilizing. That is a public facility. And roads are there, roads, schools. Okay, these are not an individual property. These are the collectively all the people will utilize. Okay, and so in the public facility, for example, a person is having a more money. The money will not fulfill his needs. Money will not fulfill his needs. For example, he want to buy a car. Okay, money will helpful here. But when he want the pollution free environment, with the help of money he can't buy. When he want the free from any illness or disease, the money will not work. If I have a 200 rupees of note or 500 rupees of note, okay, the bacteria, the fever don't come, means it won't stop. Here the money will not work. The money is not a matter. Okay, and pollution free environment, for example, in Delhi. Sir, the people who are working in Delhi, they will get the more salary, more. From the money they can buy the pollution free environment there. No. Next, protection from the infectious disease. It is also same. With the help of money we can't buy. Why public facilities are needed? Why? For example, one example I will say. Transportation is there. 4 members are there in our class: Ashar, Adnan, Ravi, Raju. Okay, so that 4 persons, they want to go Hyderabad. So all that 4 persons, they are taking their own cars and they are going. So it may take expensive. It's expensive. Everyone they are going. So everyone, diesel, it costs nearly 2 to 3,000. If all the 4 members, they will go in a public transport, so it's a cheaper. So within 1,000 rupees they will go and they will come back. So because of that reason, the public facilities are very important. For example, you are living in one apartment, and so one watchman, if you are appointing in your apartment, it is not easy to watch. For example, if you are appointing individually, so it costs more. 1,000 flats needs 1,000 watchmen. It costs nearly 3 to 4 lakhs per month. Collectively, if you are using 2 to 3 members, it may cost less than 10,000. Because of this reason, we people utilize the public facilities. Today we have discussed income and other criteria. Money is not a only criteria. Needs a freedom, equality, respect, and no discrimination should be there in that region. And the public facilities, the money will not work everywhere. If you need a pollution free environment, example Delhi. Okay, so we have to utilize the public facilities, and we'll meet in a